Hi and welcome to session 4. Stress is a result of trying to exert control over the uncontrollable. When life doesn't go according to plan or you fear a certain outcome, then the mind works overtime trying to solve the problem. But if there's no solution to the problem, then the restless mind will control what it can, even when this is of no help. And so when we can't control life, the mind often controls and holds on to the breath, making the breath shallow and tight. So in today's session, as you practice yogic breathing, we're also going to notice the tendency of your mind to exercise control over the breath. And you'll learn how to let go of breath and consequently to let go of stress. So let's begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths, in and out through the nose. Now focus on the out-breath, putting in some effort in exhaling all the air. But allow the in-breath to come in by itself, passively. So breathing out completely through your nose, and then allowing your body to breathe in. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and notice the contact of body on chair. Mentally scan the body from head to toe. Experience how the body feels right now. Noticing and experiencing all the sensations on the surface of the body and from different parts of the body. Moving your attention now to the breath, allowing the body to breathe in its own natural rhythms. Experience the movements. Bring your attention now to the abdomen and experience how it feels. Do you notice any tendency to hold on to the breath or to push the breath? Let go of that. Give up control of the breath. Allow your body to breathe. Now, as you did yesterday, breathe in to the count of 3 and breathe out to the count of 4. A few more breaths like that. Now breathing in to the count of 3 and breathing out to the count of 5. Breathing in now to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 6. Further prolonging the out-breath, breathe in to the count of 4 and breathe out to the count of 8. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Notice and experience the rising and falling of the abdomen. Is the breath flowing easily and naturally? Or is the mind holding on to or controlling the breath? Notice and let go completely. Just experience the movements of the abdomen. Moving your attention back to the contact of body and chair. Noticing the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. So what did you notice in today's session? I hope you were aware of the breath and any tendency to hold on to or control the breath. And keep paying attention to this as you go through the day. And notice how you feel emotionally as you relax and let go of the breath. And come back tomorrow as we continue the practice of yogic breathing. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 5.